Hello, amazing hackers, and welcome. Are you a cybersecurity professional looking to improve your skills in identifying and exploiting XSS vulnerabilities? Well, then you're in the right place because we're excited to introduce our exclusive bootcamp on cross-site scripting. Our 3-day intensive training covers everything from basic introductions to advanced techniques like weaponizing XSS and hunting for XSS. With hands-on experience and practical labs, you'll learn how to identify and exploit XSS vulnerabilities in web applications and how to protect them from attackers. On day 1, we'll introduce you to the basics of cross-site scripting and guide you through the practical labs on reflected cross-site scripting, HTML attributes, JS context, and filter bypasses. You'll learn how to steal CSRF tokens and exploit them for your gain. On day 2, we will focus on reflected post cross-site scripting, stored cross-site scripting, and weaponizing cross-site scripting. You'll learn how to identify XSS vulnerabilities in different contexts and how to chain them for a more significant impact. Finally, on day 3, we will cover weaponizing XSS and hunting for XSS. You'll learn how to identify and exploit XSS vulnerabilities in real-world scenarios and defend against them using CSP, cores, and other protection mechanisms. All of this will be done on a lifelike laboratory on an application that we once built but had to abandon due to time pressure. Well, guess what? That application came to our handy little rescue today because we're going to use it to test applications such as XSS Hunter, Nox, and Zap to hunt for XSS itself. So don't miss out on a chance to improve your cybersecurity skills and take your career to the next level. Register now and join us for this exclusive bootcamp on cross-site scripting. Thank you very much for watching, and we will look forward to seeing you in the bootcamp. You can find a coupon code in the description for 25% off if you're interested, but seats are limited to 50 to increase interactivity. You are expected to hack along with us and to practice during this live session, so keep that in mind. Thank you very much, my friends, and we will see you in the next one.